Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the design and material choices, alloy grade, plate thickness, and target finish, because those dictate every downstream decision. Once done, prepare clean stock, degrease and remove mill scale so welding and bonding adhere properly. Dirty metal hides cracks and prevents consistent finishes. Make sure to set up accurate fixtures and dimension programs in your CNC or cutting tool, since early positional accuracy reduces fitting rework and speeds the entire surround fabrication process. You now move into precise fabrication. Cut profiles with CNC or laser using recommended feeds and speeds so edges remain true and heat-affected zones are minimized. Once cut, deburr and align components using sturdy jigs, then tack weld to verify fit before committing. Make sure to use controlled TIG welding for thinner surrounds to reduce warping. Alternating tacks and allowing cooling prevents distortion. After welding, grind to profile and recheck critical dimensions. Accuracy here ensures the surround seats uniformly and seal. You finish by grinding and polishing to the specified surface finish. Then apply passivation or a protective coating to prevent corrosion and improve longevity. Once finished, measure final tolerances and assemble using press-fit techniques or structural adhesives as specified, because proper mating avoids leaks and premature wear. If you encounter warpage or misalignment, heat straighten carefully, refixture, or remachine the affected areas. This one troubleshooting tip salvages parts without starting over, saving time and cost while preserving quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.